Welcome back to another SliminLiam video. Today we're going to be opening up this Pokemon pack of cards with 2 packs.
Yeah, we never seen this pack before, right? We got it from Walmart. So, let me see. I already opened it, but he's got to take everything out. So, there you go.
Okay.
Flip it over, and Mama's going to help you to cut the packs.
Let me weigh them real quick to see which one might have a hit. This one.
Tell Mama to.
This one's a little bit heavier.
All right.
This one for last.
Let's see these other ones in there. Take those out.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Let me see.
Here. Ooh, bunnies. Little yellow bunny.
More Pico, more Peko. More Pico.
Here's
That's
the
a pretty
code
card.
card so you can also use it.
This is the online code, right?
Here's the other code for the pack.
Talk right, Liam. Let's see.
Okay.
You still have another one in
We
there
got
too.
a Sharpedo,
Ooh.
Quick Ball.
Show them.
Sharpedo. Show me.
I see like black on the side.
Uh-oh. Go.
Now that's good. Then we got this. That Pokemon can actually transfer lightning.
Mudkip.
Sandshrew.
So some of these I've never seen before.
Sandshrew.
Sandshrew. That one sounds familiar.
Elephant. Yellow elephant.
Kufant. Kufant.
And then we got a little tiny baby dinosaur.
Let's hope you get a good one out of this deck. Impidimp. Impidimp.
And you always get this type of card.
That's the kind you got. Snom. It looks like a snail.
Look at the
or
bottom.
something.
Look at the bottom. It's silver. It's silver.
Ooh, is that good?
It's a VMax.
Let's see what it is.
It's a Mew alternate art. It's an alternate art.
Ooh, is that good?
Yeah, it's alternate. I got an alternate art.
Nice.
I got an alternate art.
That's
Oh yeah,
a
there's
nice
more
card.
cards in here, by the way. So there.
Look at that one, honey.
Cool.
Yeah, see, this is what I was talking about the packaging. There's like a little piece right here. Here.
I like these cards.
Yeah, this is. You should get these.
And did you open the other pack, honey?
Not yet.
Here, open that chilling lane.
Klefki. This is a cool card,
We got
too.
Yeah, this little Snorlax on the thing inside.
Snorlax?
Yeah.
He's cool. Imagine having one of those in real life.
Another hit.
Nice.
This is the online code, so you can use it in the game and get free packs in the game.
Oops, upside down, daddy.
Some cards from like 1999 have different card tricks. So we got
Leiron, okay.
I can
Laron,
see it.
something
I
like
can
that.
see the black like the same.
Ooh.
We might get another.
Welcoming Lantern. All right, let's see what
Wait,
else
what
you
was this
got.
pack?
Drizzle. That's a cool card.
Sword and Shield, Force Fusion. I hope we get another hit because I see something.
Laidba.
Wait, look at that silver. Look
See,
right there,
you
right there.
see? Ooh.
Silver.
I like your Roblox hat.
I play Bed Wars in Minecraft and Roblox.
Squavit. That's a cool one.
I play Sky Wars in
I know,
Roblox.
you're really good at it.
I actually won a match today.
Crab Brawler.
Score Bunny.
Crab Brawler.
This is not Score Bunny.
Crab Brawler. Something like that.
And then we got a Score
Grookey.
Bunny. Look, we got Score Bunny.
Score Bunny.
Here, after this card, there's gonna be something good.
Let's see. Close your eyes. Let's see. Go.
We got a
Marie.
Tornado VMax. I would
Nice.
What
I
is
think
that?
you have another one. Oh no, is there another one behind it? No.
Yeah, there is. There is. Another one.
No, there's not.
Yes, there is.
Oh yeah, there is.
Told you.
Nice. Nice. So you got some good ones. Sandaconda VMax.
This card's always looking at me for some reason.
So you got some good ones. There's a Mew.
Some good ones? The entire, both
You
of the
got some
packs
really
had
good
these.
ones, yeah. All right.
And for some
You got this too, right? This token?
little token, yeah.
That's a cool token.
It's like a 50.
I don't think you have one like this, do you?
No. I only have the Pikachu one from our 25th anniversary thing.
Nice.
And also the one, that white one token from that box.
So your collection's getting a lot better, buddy.
Mhm.
Well, thank you everybody for watching, and
Make sure to like and subscribe.
until next time,
SliminLiam.
out. See you later.